Hey guys, Mike here. Well, this is going to be a little different video. Now, we're going to test out the heat because it's getting cold and this unit can do heat. And my dad just has it on fan and it's a pretty cool day out today in the city. It's in the low 50s and it's a little chilly in the apartment. So, let's give it a try. We'll go to heat. And we'll put it up to 72 so the heat can come on. Oh, it's already getting warm. Oh, I can already smell it. Ah, it stinks. Oh yeah, nice hairdryer stinky smell. Just climbing. Oh, nice. Man, that's nice. Let me open the window because it stinks. It's getting nice and warm, guys. 120. The smell's going away. It's getting nice and warm. 127. Oh yeah. The coils are behind the heating coils are behind the coil there. God, it stinks. Oh, that's why I opened the window. And I think it only goes on low fan when it's on heat. I don't think you can. Oh, you can put it on high. Okay. Got like 84 degrees going in, 82. It's really nice and warm. This is supposed to give out like 10,000 BTUs of heat, so yeah, burn off all the smell. 130. Nice. Oh, electric heat. $131. Yeah, so far so good. Just want to burn off that smell because it stinks. But yeah, other than that, that's the heating. So I'll probably put it back on fan because it smells so bad, or I'll just let it burn off the smell. And yeah, we'll call it that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is the heating.